Welcome to linuxhelp.com. In this session, we will see how to install microtext editor on Fedora 34. A microtext editor is a cross-platform terminal-based text editor that can be used with Linux and on all other platforms such as Windows and Mac OS that comes as a single and without dependency as well as being an easy to use text editor. It also doubles as a modern terminal. Now I'm going to check the OS version. Use this following command. This is OS version Fedora 34, and then I'm going to install microtext editor by using wget command. Package downloaded. Now I'm going to extract this downloaded package. Use this following command. And then I'm going to change the directory to this location by using the following command. Now execute this command. This is the microtext editor. Here you can edit your files. The process of installing microtext editor on Fedora 34 comes to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.